This is the ultimate loungewear resort wear outfit. Let me take a couple steps back here. Look how just chic and relaxed it is. So I have it untucked right now, but you can also put a little tuck in there if you wanted to. I've also seen it styled with a belt, although there are no belt loops on this. The material feels like a cashmere. It is so soft, like the softest knit. And what's great is the pants are also this super soft knit material. And then they have this really cute tuck down at the bottom for that jogger style. I am size 8, 5'8", and you can see they hit me right at my ankles. The pants are a little bit big, so I probably could have done the medium. I am in the large for this outfit, so it's a little bit oversized, but for loungewear, I kind of like it oversized. Plus, you can just wear this top with jeans anytime you want. Super cute top with the pocket. This is such a fabulous loungewear outfit.